Hi friends, my name is A.Khandelwal. I am a diamond expert. I've been working in jewelry industry since 20 years. I've worked in manufacturing, wholesaling and retail sector. Many times people come to me with similar questions, similar challenges, similar problems, or I'll say more of confusions. For example, what is gold price? What are diamonds? What to look in diamonds? What are certified diamonds? And things like that. So friends, I have made a jewelry video series. I'll be taking every topic at a time and I'll be discussing over every topic in detail. After watching these videos, you'll be in a better position to buy jewelry and understand what is revealing all the aspects of jewelry. So thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for your valuable time. Do subscribe to my channel, do like my videos and share them. Thank you so much. Hello friends. So today we are going to discuss on gold prices. How the gold price is derived, what is MCX, what is physical rate, what is market rate and things like that. So if you like this video, do share it and do subscribe my channel. Let's begin. Understanding gold rate. So what is gold rate? What is MCX? What is the price that we see in newspaper? And why does it differ from the price when we buy jewelry or gold? So basically we need to understand that there are two types of rate. As we know, one is MCX rate and second, as we know, is physical rate. So MCX rate is that rate which we see in newspaper or which we see on television or which we see on different news channels. That is called MCX rate or multi-commodity exchange rate. So multi-commodity exchange is an exchange where all the commodities are listed in India and it is run by a private equity and government. Second is physical rate. So what do you mean by physical rate? We mean is what is market rate. So the rate on which you buy gold or gold jewelry is called physical rate, and it differs a lot from MCX rate. So what is the difference? Let's understand each of them one by one. So what is MCX rate? MCX is a multi-commodity exchange. As I told you, MCX lists all the commodities on it, including gold and silver. And you can see the gold price is always going up and down. Since MCX is directly linked to the international rates because India is net importer of gold. So our gold is directly related to the gold price in New York or London Metal Exchange, basically a New York Metal Exchange. Also, it is affected by the US dollar exchange rates. We need to understand one important thing is the gold rate that we see on commodity exchange or MCX is of 99.5% pure gold. It is not of 999 or 99.99% pure gold. Since all the bars that the India imports, they all come in the purity of 99.5% only. That's why the price that is listed on MCX is of 99.5%. But obviously we can always change it to 49. We will discuss about it. Next is fine gold rate that I was talking about. So how to derive fine gold rate? You need to add 0.5% of the multiple of the MCX rate to derive the 999 rate or 49 rate. So for example, the price is 40,000, you add 0.5% of 40,000, that will be 200 rupees. So the fine gold rate will be 40,200. This is how we derive fine gold rate. So now we will come to the main point. The physical gold rate. What is physical gold rate? The price listed on MCX is of 2 months ahead contract. Because the rate is of future, so today if you're buying gold or if you're buying jewelry, then you have to pay some premium. Now what is this premium? So this premium is basically the demand and supply. That is the major factor that affects the premium. So this premium is added to the MCX rate and then we derive the physical gold rate. Premium is usually between 100 to 800 rupees in physical market. But sometimes when the demand is very high and supply is very low, the premium could jump up to 2000 rupees. But that is in absolute cases. That doesn't happen on regular basis. Also, what is added to the physical rate is 3% GST. Now we will summarize exactly the gold rate. Well, I have taken an example figures. These figures will vary obviously in the current market. So for example, the MCX rate is 40,000. So now we will calculate 0.5% on 40,000 to derive the fine rate or 24 karat rate. That will be 200 rupees. So I have taken a premium of 800. So this premium is of per 10 gram. It's not per gram, remember. Premium is 800 per 10 gram. Even the MCX rate is also per 10 gram. So we'll add 800 to it and then we'll add GST 3% over it. That will be around 1200. So the total will come to approximately 42,000. In this, I have not added GST on premium or fine rate for the calculation's sake, for the ease of calculation. GST is always added at the end. So whatever the final rate is, we'll add over GST over that price. So this is how we derive 24 karat market gold rate. This is the market gold rate on which you will buy gold or you will buy jewelry. For example, if you're going to buy 22 karat jewelry, you will multiply this price by the respective percentage of that caratage. For example, if it's 22 as I told, it will be 92% of this price. This is how the gold price is derived. And similarly, you can derive the similar silver prices as well. The same, we will take the MCX rate, then we'll add 0.5%, then the current market premium, and then the GST. So we'll derive silver rate. One important point that you should remember is that the prices that are listed on MCX, for gold it is per 10 gram, the unit is per 10 gram, and for silver it is per kg. So for example, you are saying 40,000 for gold, that stands for 10 grams. And if we talk about silver, if you see 42,000 for silver, that stands for 1 kilogram, 1 kg. And one more thing to remember, all the import duty, custom duty and excise are already added in MCX rates. Unlike GST, they are not added separately. I hope my points are clear. So this is it, my friends. This was this small presentation of our gold prices. I hope you must have understood now, and next time when you will go to your jeweler to buy a jewelry, you'll be better prepared. You will be in a better position to understand the gold prices and similarly silver prices. If any comments, please do put them on. If you have any questions, please do ask them. My email ID is here, my WhatsApp number is here. I'm a diamond expert. Thank you so much for your valuable time. Keep watching my videos. Do subscribe to my channel. Please like and share. Thank you so much.